To go. It's time for the work, and I love this alarm that goes on like this. Beep, 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 beep. It stopped, and I'm ready to go. Usually my boss calls me on the phone. It's a lady boss, so I made a special ringtone for her. Hello, hello. Alright, I'm ready to go. Should I make some coffee this morning? Oh, what a snake here. I don't know where I got that snake. Now coffee, alright. Is there a horse in my home? Well, but what really can help me get going is some good song, good music. And I love Metallica. I love Metallica. I think they were very drunk by writing this song. So, no, it didn't work. Now, let's switch it to Britney Spears. Britney Spears? Britney? I did not know that she talks in male voice. Morrissey or something like that. That's a strange start of their album. You know, man talking. Alright. Now, I'm ready to go. I got this phone call. I've got a mission I need to complete. I need to fix someone's pipe. Pipes. Yeah, plumbing. Yeah, that's the same, right? Okay, whatever. Now, this is my car. It's a good car. I love this car. That's a nice door, I guess. So, but this is the most powerful car in the world. You've never heard the sound of this engine so loud. So keep your keep your ears safe when I start this car. It's gonna be crazy. This is the key, and I'm ready to enjoy the sound. Once in a while, all right, but I can still fix that. I need to get up. All right, so I'll open the hood, and yeah, I see that the batteries are plugged, they're not connected, the wires are off, and I need to. But usually, the last time I did this, it was a major explosion. So I need to be careful by doing this, by connecting these two wires. Are you ready? I'm not. Yeah, but it's good enough. All right, so. Okay, so. All right, now I'm ready to go. The engine is. I love the sound of my engine, right? It's so quiet.